This Century 21 United Property video is presented by Diane Cupit. Calhoun-Minutes to West Ouachita High School sits a gorgeous beauty on 9.50 sprawling acres. Home built in 2017 just like new and features 4 beautiful bedrooms, 2.5 baths, wonderful spacious floor plan. This home has a kitchen that any lady would love, beautiful cabinetry with lots of detail trim. Island bar, kitchen area that opens up to a massive living area with soaring ceilings and fireplace. Master suite has a large bath with oversized shower. Outside features a nice breezeway that leads to garage with upstairs bonus room, perfect for a man cave or home office. For more information, review the details below.